Microphone not working on your iPhone 12 series phones? Some users in various discussion sites have complained that their microphone is not working on the iPhone 12. This problem can happen due to software malfunction and also hardware problems such as faulty microphone. In this video, we will show you how you can fix software problems to fix microphone issues on iPhone 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro Max. These methods will also work for any iPhone running on iOS 15 or later. If the microphone sound is muffled, you need to clean the microphones on the iPhone. It can fix the issue. Also restart the iPhone because it will fix minor software glitches. Usually it fixes the issue, but if it doesn't, check out the next ways. If your microphone is working on calls but not working on some apps, you can make sure those apps have permission to use the microphone, because if they don't have the permission, it can cause the problem. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy, tap Microphone, toggle on all the options. Now if there are some apps which are not in this list, such as we don't have Discord here, but we are using Discord in this phone, you need to access the microphone from that app. Open that app. Now try to access the microphone. You can do it by making a call. Now your iPhone will prompt you to allow microphone. Tap OK or allow. And as you can see, now the Discord have permission to use microphone. This will work for any app that is not in the list. If your iPhone is connected to any Bluetooth device, it can cause microphone problems with your iPhone. So you can turn off the Bluetooth, toggle off Bluetooth, and it can often fix the microphone problem. If your iPhone's iOS is not up to date, then update it. You could turn off noise cancellation on your iPhone 12 series phones. It can fix microphone issues. Go to Settings, tap Accessibility, tap Audio Visual, toggle off phone noise cancellation. Some of your customized settings could cause the problem with your microphone, so you could do an all settings reset. But don't worry, it won't erase any of your personal data and contents like photos or contacts. It will only reset the customized settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer and Reset, tap Reset, tap Reset All Settings, again tap Reset All Settings. Your iPhone will take auto restart and it will erase all the customized settings. Most often it fixes the microphone issues. But if nothing else works to fix the problem, you have to back up all your important data and contents and do a hard reset by putting it into the recovery mode. We have a detailed video about how you can do it. We'll leave the link in the description, you can check it out. If even the hard reset does not fix the microphone issue on your iPhone 12, it can be a hardware problem and you have to take it to Apple Service Center. So guys, this is the way you can fix microphone issues on iPhone 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro Max if it is caused by any software issues. That's it for now. If you have any query about iPhones, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.